we are looking at what is the meaning and how to pronounce the name of Elon Musk and Grimes. Newborn baby daughter. She was born in December, Grimes announced in an article in Vanity Fair. We'll be looking at how to say the name of his son as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you want to hear more about that. So her first name is said as Exa. This is a reference to the computer term exaflops, the capability of performing 1 quintillion floating point operations per second. So the decimal prefix exa denotes the number 1 quintillion. Exa is how you say it. Now her second name, her middle name, is a nod to dark matter and the unknown. Quote, dark matter is an invisible substance that is thought to, anyhow, or dark matter, you know what dark matter is, right? Finally, sidereal is how you say it. Grimes described it as, quote, a more elven spelling of the word sidereal that is normally spelled that way, which Grimes describes as the true time of the universe. Sidereal, so Exa Dark Sideræl is her full name. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more about more words that many mispronounce and how to say the name of Elon Musk's son. Thanks for watching.